a variable speed 1.5 horsepower Bridgeport with a 42-inch table. This unit is currently wired 220, can also be wired 440. If you do want to wire this unit 440, there is a transformer in the back that powers the digitals. This transformer cannot be wired 440, so therefore if you want to change the head to 440, you're going to have to put a whole different transformer on it or just not use this unit. This unit does have digital readouts on it. This is a Heidenhain. See, they will turn on, get clear, clear again. As you can see, it does not garble, jump. They do repeat. Same thing on the y-axis. See up there, does not garble or jump. They're very consistent. And when I go slow, they're very, very consistent. Now before I demonstrate the rest of the machine, as you can see, it does come with a few collets. These are the size, and it does come with a drill chuck. It also comes with the inching handle for the feed if you do want to use it. That always has to be disengaged. The feed has to be disengaged if you want to use the inching handle. The drawbar is already in it, and there is a collet that's in it right now. So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 collets plus a drill chuck. Come over here and you look at the ways. The ways aren't in bad shape, but there is some wear on this unit. As you can see, there's some wear in the middle of this unit, which is common. I'll bring the table forward so you can get a back view also. This unit will come with a knee handle. It's not on right now, but it will come with a handle. As you can see, there is some wear. It's not in horrible shape, but there is some wear. Now this unit, when it came in, somebody that attempted to rebuild this unit. There was all new high-end bearings in it. It had all Timkins in it. Some were MRC. Excuse me. And there was new bushings in the head. The thing is some people don't understand how to install the bushings, and they don't read the instructions, and they install them incorrectly. And the alignment of the high and low gears was not correct. So when you have this in high gear, there is a little bit of gear chatter because the gears were not meshed properly by the previous owner, and now that they are meshed properly, you do get a little bit of gear chatter in high, which I will let you guys hear that. But it will not hinder the operation of the machine. It will not blow up. You will have years of flawless use with this machine. So right now we are in low. As you can tell, the head sounds good. We are in forward. Right now we're going to engage the feed. This unit will knock off an upstroke. As you can see, the feed arm is coming up right now. As you can see, it knocks off. Same thing in the downstroke. Push in your reverse lever, reverse trip lever. Go into the forward position. Machine knocks off with no issue. Clock spring is in good shape. Brings the pull back up like it should. There's also 3 different rates of feed on this unit. You got slow, medium. This is your highest range of feed. It also has the quick handle, so you can see right here, need to bring it down. You can. Now when switching ranges, always bring the spindle to a complete stop. Come over here. One range is neutral. Right now it is in free spin. So if I turn this on, the quill will not move. As you can see, it is not moving. You always take a rag, grab the bottom of the quill, see how it locked in. You always want to make sure that this unit locks in. As you can hear up top, it's not horrible, but there's a little bit of gear chatter. Which I've heard them come in way worse than that. And then as far as the backlash on your y-axis, you have 11 thousandths. Backlash between the screw and the nut and your x-axis. You have 14 thousandths. This is our 1.5 horsepower Bridgeport.